Good evening and welcome to the annual Highlander Leadership Awards. We are very excited to be here honoring the Monmouth College Difference Makers. Active involvement in co-curricular life is an important component of a student's experience at college. Opportunities exist for students at Monmouth College to discover their ability to lead a group of individuals with different personalities, plan small or large events, raise awareness, apply what they learn in the classroom to the real world, and ultimately learn about themselves as a leader. Tonight, we honor the individuals who were nominated by their peers or other members of the community for their dedicated leadership to the college and their organizations. We want to thank each of you for your hard work and dedication over this past year. Obviously, due to COVID, the events and activities on campus looked very different. We are grateful to be able to finish the year in person as a community of Scots, and the college has been enriched by your contributions and presence in a difficult year. Congratulations on all that you have achieved, and best wishes for all you have yet to achieve. We will now begin presentations of this year's awards. Please join me in welcoming Jennifer Sandberg, Associate Director of Student Success and Accessibility Services, who will present the Peer Mentor of the Year Award.
The Peer Mentor Award recognizes a student who has contributed positively to the college through experiences in a peer mentoring role. Peer mentors guide students to success in and out of the classroom by showing courtesy, respect, and patience to faculty and students. A peer mentor should encourage school spirit to others by exhibiting a positive and collaborative attitude. Nominees for this award must be in good academic standing with the college and must hold a peer mentor role. A student may be nominated by faculty and/or their peers. For this award, the nominator writes, as a first-year mentor, speech assistant, and COVID relief team worker, he has affected Monmouth College in a very positive way. As a first-year mentor, he was always seen interacting with the freshmen that were in his group. He held several outdoor, socially distant meetings throughout the first semester, helping students adjust to campus, as well as staying after, talking to individual students about any problems or issues they were going through. As a speech assistant, he was also mentoring and helping freshmen who were taking the required COM 101 class. He has displayed leadership in his various roles, but even outside of those roles, this nominee is always seen with a smile on his face and positively interacting with students across campus. For his role in peer mentoring, please help me congratulate Zach Harris, the 2021 Peer Mentor Award recipient.
Nominees for the Good Neighbor Award are students who develop relationships with their neighbors and strive to embody a commitment to giving back to society. They demonstrate exemplary leadership, organization, and hospitality. Our nominator writes, this nominee is a shining example of this award based on her service to the campus and the community through her work in the COVID-19 testing center and the work she does at Warren Achievement. She truly cares about helping others. For her efforts in our community, please help me congratulate SAVANNAH FRANKLUND, the 2021 Good Neighbor Award recipient.
This award recognizes outstanding contributions by a student employee to a department or office at Monmouth College. Nominees must be in good standing with the college, their place of employment, and must maintain strong academic achievement. Tonight's recipient has only worked in the admissions office for a short time, but the nominators feel she has made a large impact. One nominator states that this nominee stands out not only as a hard worker, but an enthusiastic team member. She does the job and does it with a smile on her face, usually coaxing a few smiles out of her team members along the way. Another nominator writes, often I have had many a prospective student mention her by name and say that she is one of the reasons why they are putting Monmouth College at the top of their list of schools they are considering for this fall. Furthermore, this nominee is only a freshman, and to work with someone of her maturity, caliber, and professionalism speaks to how much better the Monmouth College community is for her involvement around campus. For her work in the admissions office, as a Scots ambassador, please help me congratulate ANITA GANDARA, the 2021 Student Employee of the Year recipient.
This award recognizes the commitment to community service. The group recognized shall have made a meaningful contribution through the completion of community service projects. This could include significant impact or breadth of service. The nominees are very committed when it comes to giving back to the Monmouth community. The people involved have trained, have studied, and have worked to provide a valuable service to our community and to our campus. The nominator writes that Professors Judy Peterson and Ann Capione have worked tirelessly this semester in difficult circumstances to provide students in our community with tax assistance through the VITA program. They trained students, worked with members of the greater Monmouth community, and spent hours reviewing and filing taxes. Even with COVID restrictions, they found a way to provide this service and to make it a valuable learning experience for our students. As their tax season ended, I want to offer my sincere thanks and congratulations for their efforts. Please join me in congratulating the 2021 VITA program as this year's winner of the Service Excellence Award.
This award is given to registered student organizations for outstanding contributions to its members and the student body. The recipient will be an organization whose members have demonstrated a strong ability to promote its ideals, have used innovative methods in reaching goals, and whose members have made significant contributions to Monmouth College. This year has been a rough year to organize events. This group took this challenge head-on and created a campus that was fun and full of activities. From their movies on the football field to their virtual shows, such as a virtual comedian, bingo nights, and murder mystery, this group kept the campus entertained. This organization has displayed a consistent value of leadership and excellence, especially in the last year. Their nominator writes, "This group did not have an easy job this semester. They had to not only adjust their events to pandemic procedures, but also had to reach both students on campus and learning remotely. I think they accomplished their goal and brought joy to the campus community." For all these reasons and more, please help me congratulate A.S.A.P, or the Association for Student Activity Programming, and the 2021 Organization Excellence Award winner.
The Advisor Excellence Award is given to the advisor who has been recognized by students as having done an outstanding job. This year's recipient has demonstrated outstanding commitment as an advisor to their students. Their nominator writes, "I've never seen anyone so eager to see me or any of his students and advisees succeed. With determination and best of all advice throughout my years in Monmouth, he has helped me succeed. The nominee has always believed in me, even when I could not believe in myself." The nominator continues, "His work with the Great Decisions and the Center for Civic and Social Change is underrated. It gives faculty and students the opportunity to learn things they wouldn't learn in their major or spare time." Please join me in recognizing Dr. Michael Nelson as this year's recipient of the Advisor Excellence Award.
This award is given to a staff, faculty, or alumnus of Monmouth College who is resourceful and demonstrates a genuine interest in advising and advancing a student's potential to live a successful life upon graduating from college. One nominator writes that this nominee has passionately and effectively advised and mentored students toward careers in healthcare, industry, and academia. Her work in pre-healthcare is especially outstanding. She never turns a student away who is seeking advice about medical school applications or which classes would be most advantageous for their chosen career. She is tireless in her efforts to place as many students in their chosen careers as possible. Another nominator writes, "This nominee encourages and advises students both in and out of the lab and classroom. The application process and academic rigor associated with these pre-health careers can be exhausting and confusing, especially for students who are first-generation students. Without this nominee's attention to detail and encouragement, I am not sure we would have so many students in these fields. For her contributions to student success at Monmouth College and for being an outstanding mentor, join me in congratulating Dr. Laura Moore as the 2021 Outstanding Career Mentor." Students cannot function without the leadership of students who are committed and passionate about a cause. Because of this, organizations and advisors can nominate members who exemplify the definition of what it takes to be a leader on our campus. Tonight's recipient of the Leadership Excellence Award was nominated because of the countless hours this student spent making sure their organization thrived. The nominator goes on to say that I have witnessed a massive amount of tenacity and dedication from this nominee as he tries to keep his fraternity on top and other organizations alive. This nominee is also involved in the stakeholder meetings and has shown a clear dedication to furthering this school. For his demonstrated excellence as a student leader on campus, please help me recognize Bryan Peters as the 2021 Leadership Excellence Awardee.
The Emerging Leader Award recognizes a student who's demonstrated significant potential for success through involvement in their communities and has exemplified personal growth and exploration of the unfamiliar. Candidates for this award have contributed to student organizations and/or other leadership opportunities across campus. Their nominator writes, "This nominee is a driven and passionate student in my macroeconomics course. She is always keeping me on my toes and making certain that I keep giving my best for the class. She cares deeply about the college and has helped organize and speak at several demonstrations on campus." The nominator continues, "Her dedication to this school she loves so much should be rewarded." Please help me congratulate the recipient of the 2021 Emerging Leader Award, Alexis MOWERY.
The Kaleidoscope Award recognizes a program that is out of the box, and the implementation of the program solves a problem or improves the Monmouth College community in a significant way. To be considered, the program must be innovative, creative, unique, and demonstrate resourcefulness. The program may solve a problem or address an issue in a way that exemplifies not only excellence, but also the values of our college. The award is unique because it doesn't have to be awarded annually. The nominator writes, "The Self-Care Fair by these organizations should receive the Kaleidoscope Award. These two organizations have uplifted the campus in various ways this year. Before the event, my friends and I were stressed. After attending this event, we felt so relaxed and happy. I genuinely think these organizations should be recognized for all the hard work they did this year. For their stress-relieving efforts with sugar scrubs and homemade soap at the Self-Care Fair, please help me congratulate A.S.A.P and Mindful Monmouth as the 2021 recipient of the Kaleidoscope Award."
The Monmouth Difference Maker Award recognizes the Monmouth College faculty or staff member who has taken strides to make a difference in the lives of those they come in contact with on campus. The ideal candidate truly demonstrates why it's great to be part of the Monmouth College family. With multiple nominations, one nominator writes, "This nominee is a mentor, counselor, and coach for all students in any normal year. In addition to supervising the Scots ambassadors in the administration office, she has served as an advisor for Kappa Kappa Gamma, and of course as assistant swim coach. This past year was already a challenging one for our student athletes, with the unexpected loss of Coach Bierrick that was devastating to our swimmers. This nominee has gone above and beyond to be there in support of the team these past several months." Another nominator notes, "This nominee has helped me so much this past semester. As a swim team, we have all felt the great loss since Coach Bierrick's passing. I personally was really struggling when classes started up again. I came up with the idea to have us all as a swim team to make a banner as memorial to Coach Bierrick. She helped me so much to get it organized and has overall been there for me whenever I needed it. Even with the process of getting a new head coach, she has gone above and beyond to make the swim team feel included in the decision and the process. She has truly been there for the swim team in our grief. I know she has been grieving too with the swim team, and I just want to know and show her how much her help has meant to us. Goggle up. Please help me congratulate ERIN LAFARY, our 2021 recipient of the Monmouth Difference Maker Award.
The recipient of the Student Leader of the Year Award is an individual nominated by either their organization or a member of the Monmouth College community. The awards selection committee places a strong emphasis on students who have contributed significantly to the leadership of their organization and whose campus participation has been outstanding. The nominator writes, "This nominee has played an impressive range of leadership roles on our campus. She is currently president of our student government, leading our students through one of the most trying times colleges have faced. I have been impressed with her ability to create and lead fundraising for a COVID relief fund for students, Scott's Cares, and with her outreach to encourage communication among students during a difficult political year. She and her vice president came to my department early in the fall to collaborate on a successful workshop on how to talk about politics in a polarizing time. She carries those responsibilities while also serving as a head resident. Please help me congratulate the 2021 Student Leader of the Year, ABIERRE Minor."
The White and Crimson Leadership Award recognizes a student who has gone beyond the call of duty in an effort to positively impact the campus community. The ideal recipient of this award is a student who possesses strong character, leadership, and a passion for advancing the student experience at Monmouth College. Through active participation in multiple areas of student affairs, whether it be religious life, Greek life, residence life, or orientation, just to name a few, the recipient has left a lasting impression at the college. The White and Crimson Leadership Award recipient is selected by us after receiving nominations from the Division of Student Affairs staff members.
Our nominator writes, "This nominee has worked tirelessly to help get our COVID-19 testing center up and running, and she continues to do all that she can do to ensure that our campus bubble remains safe while working with students, faculty, staff, and the community as the testing center's student supervisor. Please help me congratulate the recipient of the 2021 White and Crimson Leadership Award, Megan Davis."
As we close tonight's program, I'd like to announce that the award winners may pick up their awards at the Stockdale Center office. Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you so much to everyone for watching the 2021 Highlander Leadership Awards. We are looking forward to resuming the traditional Highlander Awards banquet next year. Again, we know it's been a very challenging year, and we are proud of you all for continuing to lead and serve our campus community during a time of such adversity. Thank you. These people are going to be sick of hearing from me.
Excuse me, I already messed up. Sorry, start over.
I blend in pretty easy. Guy who looks like a Q-tip.
Director of the Multicultural Student Services, who present the Student Leader of the Year Award. Sorry.
Who will present this service at... I hate it when I mess up. One more time.
Okay.